to have one. Oh, I'm going to fill it. This is the second time. Kuna ombelena ndoka kakwente kinyonda katara pini.
Do you think you'll fill up that harvesting basket?
Do you?
Do you think you'll fill it up?
No, do you?
I'm waiting.
I think we'll fill it up. Actually, I think for now we are going to start, but there's a moment that I have to stop and cut all the foliage back. Oh, I damaged this one. Every time I touch this sweet potato, I always end up damaging something. The other thing that you guys can see is that the sweet potato is a bit wet. We watered it yesterday, but that side, since we were ready to harvest, it's been a while without watering, probably around a week without watering. But the ground is still nice and moist, and it's loose. The problem with sweet potatoes is that you have to dig and use up all your energy. And yeah, ooh, a scorpion. Woo, really? Already?
Oh, that's dangerous.
Did I manage to kill it or not? It's supposed to be somewhere here. Okay, wait. Oh, the tail is here. Okay, that means I got it.
Be careful, guys.
Oh, here it is. You want to take a picture? Here it is. The tail is somewhere here. I don't know whether I'm supposed to save that, but being African, I don't know.
We are actually harvesting potatoes.
Okay.
The farm manager in the video.
Yes.
So you can also assist Taylor.
Yeah.
So you can go faster.
And for those who have been with us for a while, we actually have planted these potatoes. It was in January, right? Around the 15th of January, and today is the 1st of May.
The third.
Third.
So roughly 3 months.
Yeah.
We are hoping for the best. I'll only believe when I see.
He got such little faith.
We need some safety.
And please listen to uncle. Listen to uncle. Okay.
We are in the mine, the potato mine.
Wow,
Wow, look at that. I like what I'm seeing there. I think I need to capture that. Wow.
wait, this side.
Give me space. Yeah.
Don't hide. Don't hide. So you are not scared of amphibians. Insect and you actually learn. Now he's an amphibian. Now.
She's so cute.
We have a friend here.
Hi. Oh, I destroyed your home. Now I have to relocate.
The reptile, not amphibian, reptile.
They are reptiles.
Let me put you in here.
She's only afraid about insects. Let me see, Toby. Wow. Wow.
Small one.
That must be the biggest.
Oh, kulimo shike.
Oh, I
Hey,
see
look at
another
potato.
one on the root.
Okay, put it in the harvesting basket.
No, guys.
The roots.
Don't put the roots in here. This, snap it off. Okay?
Okay, show them. Bring them and maybe show some of the. Oh. Wow.
Natango
Take the
mbino.
roots off.
Atu itulamo mbino natango taivulu kumena mbi. Okay, let me show this one. Sorry, let me show this one to the camera. So this is one of the struggles that Namibian farmers of potatoes have been having. This is a, I don't know whether to call it a worm or a caterpillar,
Should be
but
a worm.
it's something that burrows into potatoes, and it have destroyed a lot of harvests from Namibian farmers this year. We will try to insert the name of the worm and the picture right here, and I hope this time we won't forget to insert it so that you can see. But what we have noticed, or what I have learned about it, is that there is a pesticide for it that you're supposed to spray even before you plant your potatoes. Also, it usually just destroys potatoes that are a little bit on the surface of, yes. So those that are a bit deeper, though, you won't have a problem there. But so these ones were on the edge of the bed on the other side, and this is why you are seeing that these were destroyed.
But imagine you have a 10 hectare, harvesting a 10 hectare of potatoes. There must be a better way to...
You would have, yeah, there are machineries. There's actually a tractor that has an attachment with forks that comes through and loosen the soil.
That means you have to plant them in a certain way.
Yeah, the problem once though, because when I planted this, I was in such a hurry. These two beds were properly done, but on the other side, I healed them quite late, so I don't have much hope on it. But I took a sneak peek last month. I saw a little bit of potatoes there. They were small though, so let's go the other side and see what we will get. Hopefully, we'll fill this bucket. going to devour those, and they are still very good. But otherwise, we are going to cure this for almost 2 weeks before we can start eating them. What curing does is that it toughens the skin, and also it breaks down the starch into sugars, and then our potatoes are going to have very good tough skin, and they are going to be nice and flavorful.
Yeah.
Otherwise, do you have anything to say about our trial and error, Mala?
No, what I can say is that yes, indeed, we have learned a lot from this trial. I mean, looking at the pests damaging a few of our potatoes, this is an indication that something has to be done so that we have, at the end of the day, quality potatoes, and it's a good lesson.
And like I mentioned in the beginning, it's really trial and error. This is our very first year growing potatoes. So it's a good lesson. The thing is that we have already gotten experience or other lessons from Namibian farmers who complain. We already know where to get the pesticide. So the next time we are planting, we are hoping to upscale, and we are hoping to beat the pest to its game. Otherwise,
what I also want to say is that if we can do it, if we can do this, you can also do it.
yes,
So go ahead and try it.
yes. Otherwise, keep mining for potatoes.